Hey, how you doing, assholes? It's fucking Officer Prosciutto here. I've leveled up to sergeant on account of all these gang raids out here in the Bronx. I got all your fucking little cousins there, all your little fucking East Chester, whatever the fucks, your little blood G's, whatever you guys do. Listen, this is Desus Nice and the kid Mero, the Bodega Boys. I'm gonna get you motherfuckers. I know you guys are involved. I've been watching you. I'm gonna get you guys. You're gonna get fucking indicted. You know what I'm saying? This is episode 23. It's the Jordan episode, and Jordan is a fucking cheese-eyed bastard. He owes me $50 from a game of blackjack in Atlantic City. Listen, assholes, the opinions of these fucking jerks may or may not be, who gives a fuck? Fucking play the music.
It's episode 21.5 was the last one, so this is episode 22.5. What up? It's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Mr. 1994, a.k.a. Buchos Gali, a.k.a. Buchos Gully, excuse me.
What?
Whoa, fucking up. We speeding out here, man. We speeding.
Yo, it's your boy Mero, a.k.a. Durag Flat, a.k.a. Dominic McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is back in the phone booth.
Back in the real world confessionals. We in here doing the emergency art. You got the wild echo.
Yeah. We're in booth number 2 because booth number 1 smells like a fucking house.
It just smelled like armpits and chinchillas and corn chips and foreskins. It smelled like, niggas have been to jail that smell. It smells like jail. Like just a bunch of dudes.
Straight dorm.
Anger. Breakdown of society. Testosterone, masturbation. Damn, lock in.
You gotta do that.
My man Mero just hit the Bluntington. He's speeding. Wow. He's in that good 20. Wow. That 20 minute when the portal was open and he can go to Narnia.
Wow. Yo, what was the name of that game where you shoot the little wall with a gun and it makes a portal and you go through it? Was it called Portal?
Probably. I think they do that on Rick and Morty. You don't watch that show though.
I do. Actually, no, I don't enough. You know what I'm saying? There's some cartoons that I kind of watch. Like, I'll be Mass Mac just flipping channels, and I'll be like, this shit looks nuts. And I'll watch it, but like totally out of context. You know what I'm saying? So I can't be like, yo, I don't have like cool references. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go Google some. All right. For the next episode.
Right. You faking. A lot of things happened this week, but it's emergency art. Yeah, shout out to the Bodega Hive for fucking with this art, even though the sound quality is a little sus.
Very sus.
We're pushing wood. You're not giving the hard deals.
You know what I'm saying?
But you know what? We would never put the audio quality at risk.
Never. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out to Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street. They're having the Red Bull Music Festival right now, so we can't be there. That's why we're doing this.
Is it freestyle? It's a freestyle.
There's a freestyle party on May 13th.
For you 40-year-old Puerto Ricans.
You know what I'm saying? Slide out your security job, polyesters, and leave your TSA stand, and come and dance a little freestyle. Yeah, my girl. Oh man. Shout out to Narcan. Shout out to the Zika vaccine.
Yo,
there was recently a study that said having a small head is not the worst thing that can happen to your child if you have Zika.
What is the worst thing that can happen to my kid besides having a miniature adult?
I don't know, because he's going to get roasted out of school.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the lady at BuzzFeed who went to Mexico and caught Zika. I don't know. See?
Like white people say.
How'd you know she was white though?
She gotta be.
She was.
That's white people shit, man. Look at white people do shit like fucking like hug bears. You know what I'm saying? Fucking go to Mexico and like play like the Zika trees and get Zika virus. You know what I'm saying?
She's playing Zika roulette.
You know what I'm saying? But niggas are wildin'. Like niggas don't do shit like that.
Come on. Is this a Zika tour?
Yeah. Like, interesting.
We'll take her to the Zika rainforest walk.
Can't wait.
I'm gonna hug this panda.
What's the name of this pyramid? Zika?
I'm just gonna lick this stone. Feel better though because she has Zika.
Yeah, Zika's trash.
Shout out to the sponsor though. We got the vaccines. That's the thing. If you're in America, we have the vaccine.
They do?
We can fix it.
They got the vaccine for Zika already?
I don't know. I'm kind of high. I've been drinking, so I might be confusing the government with Arby's. I know Arby's has the meat. No, there gotta be a Zika vaccine. That's the sponsor. They've been a sponsor for like
true.
mad weeks now.
Shout out to y'all. Yo, but fucking shout out to Arby's too, yo.
Shout out to Arby's.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, because we're scumbags. We went to Arby's and what was it? The new bourbon cheddar bake. Oh, some fat.
It don't matter. There's like 3 3 or 4 keywords that you got to say to me when I'm high to make me eat whatever.
And what was that?
And it's like bacon, honey, barbecue,
and choach.
That's it. Those 4 things and we're good. You know what I'm saying?
His mouth starts watering. So yeah, there's an Arby's in Manhattan. You might see us in there 212 and looking sad.
You know what I'm saying?
It's by Port Authority, so if you're pimping out some runaways, go there on your lunch break.
Man, dope fiends leaning
off that dog food.
Doing the wave. Niggas are doing the dope fiend wave.
Dope fiend wave.
They all lean in succession.
Methadone wave. Jeez.
Yo, shout out to anybody that takes a train or a bus near the closest stop to a methadone clinic, because you always catch the wild head there that just wants to talk about the 80s with you for like 4 hours.
Love it.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Papi, back in the day, you know, they talking about crazy,
man.
You know,
they had tokens, they had a hole in it.
And let me tell you something.
You can use it like money.
Africa Bambata, Papi.
You, listen.
That shit is true, Papi.
Yeah,
okay?
he was touching the kids.
I touched his dick too, Papi.
Oh,
All right?
no.
I'm sorry, Papi. I'm sorry. He made me do it, Papi. He said I could be down with the crew.
Oh my God!
Yo, that's wild.
Africa Bambata is out really, there.
He's the new. Bill Cosby's like, yes.
Bill Cosby even still alive? Yo. Even Jared's like, wow.
Yo, Africa Bambata just gave Bill Cosby like another 6 months of life.
Yeah,
because he was supposed to die already. But now,
I feel like Jared
was
Jared worse than Africa Bambata?
Yeah, I mean. Jared's probably worse because it's like...
That's recent, though.
Yeah.
Well, is Africa Bambata... Was that recent? I don't know, man. I don't know all the facts. 80s.
Yeah. Jared's
you know, you don't know all the facts on it. It's just like, it's sad.
Mm-hmm.
You know, our hip-hop legends... KRS-One came out to defend him.
Yeah, he did?
He cleared up his comments or something, but he basically like, yo, that's my man. We've discussed this.
Yo, KRS also made 13 and Good, my guy. Which...
Go on YouTube and look at that song, 13 and Good. That's an epic song of proportions unknown to most hip hop people. It's worth it. It's worth. Trust me.
Please.
Go Google that shit.
Yo, please.
13 and Good.
Is that a Rap Genius? That needs to be a Rap Genius.
If it's not, they're gonna add it this weekend.
Yo,
I'll add it personally.
Rob.
It was good.
Get on that.
Good. She was 13, but it was good. Wow. They were allowing that shit.
You say, yo, I'm only 13. Yo, the song should have ended right there, man. The song should have ended right. And I said, I'm out. Fuck this. That should have ended right there.
The song should never have been made. Ever. Like, why would you make a song about having sex with a 13-year-old?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Jared's listening to this like, how come KRS-One gets a pass?
Why
you know why? Because KRS-One made Love's Gonna Get You.
That's right.
You don't got no hits, Jared.
What I dang? You got that? You don't got nothing like that.
Also,
got that with BDP.
For the record, bell hooks.
What?
All right?
I just heard my wrist.
Let me show you something. I read your little think piece about Queen Bee. I was gonna roast you, but you're bell hooks. Like, you can't roast. You cannot roast bell hooks. So I'm just gonna say
only Beyonce can roast bell hooks in retaliation. They can roast each other. We can't even step into that arena.
I get in trouble for even bringing this up.
Come on, niggas like something dry.
Well, I would say it was well written, and I appreciate you weaving a beautiful tapestry of petty in your discussion to Beyonce. Okay, so
shout out to you,
bell hooks.
You know what I'm saying?
Azealia Banks.
Does she spell her name in lowercase letters all the time on purpose?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because white people own capital letters.
No, that's a fuego. That's a Desus fuego.
That's not Desus fuego.
That's like this nigga's the new Ja Rule. Yo, every time you use a capital letter, the white man gets the dollar.
It's true. It's true. Desus doesn't lie. I said we was getting art every week. You got art every week. Boys, guys from the Bronx don't lie. That's a fact.
That's right.
Dominicans are faithful.
That's right.
And guys from the Bronx don't lie.
Never.
And Jamaicans only have one family.
That's right.
Okay? Speaking of family, my boo Azealia Banks.
Oh, wow. She's really out here.
I don't know. Did she get off the Wellbutrin this week or what? Because, man, she was...
Dog, she needs like they need to put... You know how niggas got on the blog, it'll be like, yo, number of visitors, whatever. She needs a faggot counter. Like, how many times have you called people a faggot this week?
That's her key word. That's like what she's doing now. That's her whole...
That's her new shit?
That's her shit. That's like her catchphrase. You know how Jadakiss has the... Hers is faggot.
Oh, my God.
Oh.
Yo, you wildin', man.
And she's like, yo, I can use because I eat choach. And it's like, all right, mom.
Oh, okay, all right.
No, eating choach is not... A chick eating another girl's throat is like... It's not as dedicated to, I think, a dude sucking another dude's dill.
I mean, also...
That's a fuego take.
That's a fuego take. Also, to follow a fuego take, I've never heard anybody refer to a lesbian as a fag, though.
Yeah.
Never.
And I've been to Henrietta on Hudson.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Straight up. Also, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to, you know what I'm saying, you know who.
You know who, then you know what? And you know what? I love how on Drake's album, right? He's like, he wonders if his exes listen to his new shit.
Right.
And like, I wonder who in my life listens to this podcast. Because certain references is like, yo, that's straight at you. You know what I'm saying? Do that dart at you. Do that dart at you. Bitch. Did you see that story on Twitter this week about the lady who gave her boyfriend a kidney?
A kidney.
Yeah.
Wow. But George Lopez did the same thing and got divorced.
But he's Spanish.
True.
That's what y'all do.
That's what
y'all do fucked up shit like that. You know,
I got 3 kidneys right now because I took one from my wife.
Really?
Yeah. I took one. I don't even need... I got 3.
You just got it in the Tupperware?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
She got them pristine Jew kidneys.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so good. They make
so good. They're kosher.
They're kosher.
They're kosher.
You know what I'm saying? For Shabbat. You know what I'm saying?
Are there any Jewish holidays coming up?
I don't even know. There has to be.
There's
one like every 2 weeks.
Every year. You always come in. It's the Festival of Lightning.
Yeah, it's Yom Kippur next week. You know what I'm saying?
Is it really?
I don't even know.
All you gotta do is to say it with conviction.
That's it.
You know, facts don't matter. Facts have not mattered since the beginning of time.
I'm gonna tell you something. The only whack thing about working at entertainment is that everybody's Jewish, so they know when I'm lying.
They know when you're lying. I don't. But Sam Rothstein over there, he knows.
What are you talking about?
Just that's not our holiday.
Oh, this guy over here. Can you believe him?
Oh man,
that's not a Hamantaschen. It has 4 corners.
Shout out to all my sisters out there, all my black women out there.
Yo.
Y'all kind of going through. Oh, I think all women right now are going through it because Drake shaved his beard.
That's true. Yeah. He looks like a little big potato.
He looks like a naked mole rat. No, because when you have a beard,
Drake looks like a fingerling potato right now.
He looks like a Keebler elf. When you shave your beard, you automatically look like a pedophile.
That's
off
true.
the rip.
Yeah.
Off the rip.
Yeah, one time I was shaving my mustache. You know when you go too far and you fuck it up, and you
fuck it
like,
up.
Damn, you just like you gotta shave it all off. I did that one time, and it was I was like, no.
No, you look in the mirror, you don't even like yourself and shit.
I was like, I feel mad. I was like, I look like a drunk 14-year-old.
I remember
stressed out.
Before I grew out my beard, and I only had the mustache, and I was trying to shape it up, and I fucked up, and I had to get the little Hitler mustache going on. I felt like Michael Jordan. I was an asshole. I was wearing bootcut, bleached jeans. Had a hoop earring for no reason.
He was betting on shit for no reason.
I was betting on pigeons against the hydrant. I just lost. I was ashy.
Which one of them goes? Who's gonna shit first?
Who's gonna shit first?
Let's see.
Sky rats.
They stayed under the train for 12 hours.
But God's working on all of us, and now I have a beard.
True.
It's growing out, you know.
Beard.
Chicks like it. Chicks dig it.
Do you do anything with your beard? Because people always say like, yo, use beard wax. And
I was using beard wax. I was using like Kiehl's beard wax. The best thing is coconut oil. Coconut oil, baby.
That's like the new shit. Yeah, I'm waiting for like a year from now for niggas to be like, yo,
coconut oil causes cancer.
It's wild carcinogenic.
Because coconut oil is the natural remedy of everything on Black Twitter.
That's true.
All right? It can defeat tuberculosis, Zika,
You could update
AIDS.
the Chris Rock joke that he talks about Robitussin, and just put coconut oil. And it's 2016.
Wow. All the comics that listen to our podcast is still jokes. They just wrote that down. Shout out. Don't think we don't hear about your little comedy set in Ulster County, nigga. Huh?
That's right.
I don't know if that's a real thing.
It probably is.
I just want to throw darts.
It is.
You know, every now and then you gotta take a temperature of the culture.
Listen, fam.
You know what I'm saying?
Early on, you know me. I've always been Ichiban #1 since day one. I'm like, yo, we're the shit.
Right.
More than recently, you know what I'm saying? I've been seeing this shit. And I'm like, yo,
teach them devils.
These niggas is, that's, you know what I'm saying? Niggas bit of, shit.
Niggas biting the wave? Niggas biting the wave? Nah, you can't bite the wave, though. This wave is unbiteable. Niggas is flowing. Niggas is
it's tsunami, my nigga. You try to surf a tsunami, you die.
That's true. That's true.
You gotta be easy. Just boogie board on the shore, nigga. Don't come in the deep water.
Shout out to all the tsunami victims.
Has there ever been a tsunami in the United States?
No.
Victor, this shit is too small for Victor.
Victor here. He come here. Actually, in 1949, there was a tsunami and 48,000 people died. It was on the east coast of Mexico. Victor's useless. He cut his hair. You got no use for him.
Victor cut his hair. Now he's back to life.
He cut his hair. He's like Drake. He lost his superpowers.
That's it.
That's why I'm not cutting my hair.
Nope.
I'm not cutting my hair.
No, yo, get a baldy, nigga. Yo, you niggas just let it go. Get a baldy. Fuck you, nigga.
Nah, man. I keep any follicles on my hair.
That's it.
Everything.
That's it.
Worst kind of rest. I'm gonna transplant my ass hairs to my
I
forehead.
don't give a fuck.
I don't
I'm
give
the
a fuck.
wild nappy ass hair.
I ain't even gonna wash them. They're gonna have like doom stains in them. Just big bits on the top of my forehead.
Straight underwear lit and shit. Nigga, like, fuck that. Nigga brushing the shit on my bags and shit. Fuck
Yo, shout out to all our listeners in Dust City.
True.
You know, Bodega Hive out there in DC. Kill Mo. I might be coming out there for brunch. Shout out to everyone out in London, isn't it? Grind Boys, isn't it?
Man,
in the council house.
Trousers.
God bless me, cleans a cunt. In my council house, I got an Usher card and a blunt. Down on Lennox Avenue. Brixton Avenue, we say true. In it, dig 'em.
Y'all UK grind, y'all niggas cannot even rap. Like, why y'all even be rapping talking about whatever? Like, y'all can't even rap.
What? Azealia Banks, like, she just... I don't... You know what it's like? When you're dying in Call of Duty, you're like, fuck it, I'm just like, set all the bullets and go out.
Yep, that's it.
She did that.
Throw a grenade, just blow up the whole shit. It's like fucking... And she just got deaded on the show. Yeah. Because she was slaying the UK.
You can't be...
That's like you going to hustle on a new block, you don't know nobody. You got your pack and you're like, yo, y'all niggas is pussy.
Yeah, you can't...
On everything, y'all niggas is pussy. I dare nigga try to run up on me. I'm out here by myself. Fuck y'all niggas. Remember homie, I went to the thing, I was like, I'm from New York.
It got lumped up?
It got washed.
That's what she did?
That's what she did, nigga.
What was she thinking? Oh, man, I don't know. But you know the thing is also, she's a Harlem. She's from old Harlem.
That's very real.
So that's like if you're from Harlem, Azealia Banks rants make sense.
That's very real. But the thing is...
Because how many people you seen like Azealia Banks and you're on a train and you just turn on your headphones, you ignore it?
Come on. I've said it 100 times. She's like my top worst cousins. You know what I'm saying? Like my 3 worst cousins is Azealia Banks rolled into one. But it's like... That shit works perfectly in the hood because it's like, yo, we on the hood, we on the block. Right. Yo, fuck them UK niggas. Them niggas can't rap. Son. Yeah. If you do that shit on Twitter and a million people see it, now you fucking up your whole brand.
Now you fucking up.
You fucking up the brand, man.
Fucking up.
But you know what? She's not fucking up the brand because that is her brand.
That is her brand.
Spazzing on the internet is her brand. So shout out to her.
But I feel like she's alienating new fans.
True.
You know what I'm saying? Because listen, there's only but so many people who are gonna listen to "Put Molly in Your Butt" music that she makes.
And I fuck with "Put Molly in Your Butt" music. You know what I'm saying? Like, I fuck with the music, but hey.
Have you listened to her new album?
I have.
Have you?
It's pretty good.
I feel like you're lying.
I am lying.
You are lying.
You have called me in a lie, sir. And I'm going to admit it and own up to it because I'm a father and I would tell my child to do the same shit. If you call a lie, nigga, just be like, fuck it, I lied.
You lied. I appreciate that. You're honest.
See the new titties, though.
The new titties is nice. They're not... You know what?
They haven't fallen yet.
They're going
to fall. They're going to fall.
They're going to look nice.
They're going to look great.
But she's not... I think she remade her account. She made like a new one with underscore that you do when you're like banned.
Yeah, you can't.
But now you're not verified.
Yeah.
She's whack now.
Fucked up.
Now you're just dirty. Now listen, you're back to being a bodega cat.
I'll forever regret being mad high one night and deleting my Instagram, which was the Kid Mero, as it is
one word.
All platforms.
One word, but now
I got fucking funny underscores.
And
you know what? Can't get it back.
Underscores are the code sore of the internet.
Absolutely.
Okay?
Also, Instagram, since we got the juice now, if you work for Instagram, can you please change my shit back to no underscores? Thank you very much.
Also, verify us on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
All right? Because we popping.
Yeah.
We popping in there. Even though, apparently, Instagram...
I'm verified on Vine.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I have like 5 Vines on verified on Vine. Shout out to Vine.
No, Instagram is cool. They just changed their logo. Shit's whack.
I haven't seen it yet because my phone. I'm working with an iPhone 5S.
Oh,
which is why you're able to defeat me in all these phone challenges. Oh, I got the mad old iPhone. But once I update my shit, I'm gonna be flossing.
How do you feel about Apple getting rid of the headphone jack?
That's just like because niggas got to move on and go to the future, and the future is wireless headphones.
You know what it is? It's like when
you don't need no wires.
It's like when your girl makes you throw out some shit. Yeah, like yo, this is from your bachelor days. You gotta move on. Yeah. So I respect it.
I respect the shit out of my wife for throwing away all my Jay-Z vertical stripe.
Your express shirts from Change Clothes.
Yeah, exactly. I super appreciate you for taking those and throwing them in the fire or sending them to DR in a barrel. Thank you.
Damn.
Appreciate you. I would never did that shit. They'd be in my closet. I would never wear them.
Right.
But they'd just be taking up space.
But yo, when them shits was popping, couldn't tell nigga shit. I had a red and black one.
Nigga, I used to buy them shits like they were white tees, fam. I would wear them twice and be like, you going back in the closet.
Never tucked in.
Never tucked in. Crazy?
I might have had a fucking
2 buttons on button, that sloppy collar.
I might have had like one of the wicker belts.
Oh, man. Shit tucked behind the phone case,
shit.
Nigga.
Just bam it out. Bam it out. Going to Envy.
Yo! What niggas with the phone clip?
Oh,
Yo, the next time on the phone call.
Right? Having a floss on y'all toes with my handspring trail.
Don't make me bring out the Durango boots on you niggas.
Listen, man. You look like a Durango nigga. I see Mero in some Durango boots. That used to be the wave. Are we bringing back? We're bringing back Vance and jackets and Durango boots.
Yo, Jimmy's Bronx Cafe, Durango boot down. Your boy, early.
Oh my god! If you have footage of this, please don't ever release
holla.
it. Please don't ever release it. That's my new thing now is running to old people who I've known and they don't like know I'm popping. And they're like, this nigga? This nigga? What? They got bad photos of me. Whatever. Yeah. It's cool.
I recently found a Facebook group. Niggas hit me up of my high school class. Niggas that graduated.
Oh, wow.
Half them niggas is dead. Half them niggas is in jail. And the other half, that's 3 halves, is like, yo, you want to take my nigga? I'm mad proud of you. I'm like,
Are you?
I'm pretty sure I hit you in the head with a sock full of nickels.
There you go.
Sophomore year.
You ain't proud of me. You ain't proud of me. That. Shout out to New York City high schools.
Yo.
Shout out to the Bronx, always.
It's just like training. It's a boot camp.
Shout out to my man in the Bronx, who I feel like has been long enough. We can bring back, like, legally, the statute of limitations has expired. We're bringing back Real Nigga of the Week.
Real Nigga of the Week.
Real Nigga of the Week. The young man in the Bronx, who, after being stabbed, when asked by the cops, who stabbed you, he repeated to them,
fuck you, niggas.
And he died.
And perished with his
like
last
a real
breath.
Nigga with his last breath.
See, if that type of shit was in Game of Thrones, I would watch Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones. What the fuck is going on in Game of Thrones?
I don't know. But yo, niggas got me on the... Yo, shout out to DeRay, you know what I'm saying? Because I seen him tweet that he's like, yo, I'm watching Game of Thrones now. And that influenced me to watch Game of Thrones. Because I was like, yo, fuck.
With the blue vest?
Yes.
I thought it was D-Ray Davis.
D-Ray Davis? I was like, no.
So, yeah, I'm watching D-Ray. I'm watching Game of Thrones.
I'm watching Game of Thrones, y'all. So I'm like, alright. I was like, alright, I respect this dude's opinion. He has pretty good taste, you know what I'm saying, in entertainment. So let me check this shit out. Yeah. And it's fucking mad wizardry and shit, but it's mad violent.
Right.
So that kind of hooked me in, because it's like, yo, man, niggas die, like, and it's just like, life is cheap. And you know, being from the Bronx, it's like, yo,
life is cheap.
You can relate, you know what I'm saying? Right. So it's like, alright, cool, I'll fuck with this. But if they just put niggas in Vances or Pele Pelas, you can be like, yo, Game of Tremont. Okay. You know what I'm saying? It'll be pretty lit. All right. So we're gonna write that.
Are we gonna write that?
Yes, we're gonna write that.
Listen. Every day on this podcast, we get just great ideas.
Jules.
Think about our New York Undercover reboot. And then I see him with that kid. He's like, fuck you. And I'm like, oh, fuck you? What? Fuck you, my guy? Huh? Take that.
What about that, huh?
Does that hurt? Does that hurt? Huh? Yeah. Oh, you got enough breath to curse me out? Here, I hope you have some minutes on your cell phone, because I'm not calling you an ambulance, you piece of garbage.
Piece of trash. You would have died in Southern Boulevard with a tray bag in your pocket. Piece of garbage.
Piece of garbage. And you know what? Then your post's going to have a witty headline about you.
Fucking jerk. And you might not even make a headline. You might be on the blotter.
Yeah, underneath the old bits. And then the next scene is us in the... It's in the chief's office, played by Susan Sarandon.
Of course, not the Susan.
She throws a manila folder down on the desk, and she's like, Desus! Mero!
$500,000 worth of damage?
Again? I have my foot up on the desk, and I'm like, listen, I'm here to solve crimes, I'm not here to make friends.
I'm just like smoking a blunt. She's like, is that marijuana? I'm like, yo, it's 2028. It's legal now.
It's legal now. So it comes with the saxophone.
You just hoverboard out the office.
Then you get a phone call, while dramatic, and it's like, I have your son.
And it's this dude showing from profile shot, like
that type. It's clearly the crying MJ meme. And your eyes get big, and the saxophone just starts playing, and we all look. I don't know what happened on the phone, but your mouth drops, and we're all like, and then we cut to commercial. Give us a show!
Give us a fucking show.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on with you?
Why are we in a building full of networks and we don't have a show?
What is going on?
What's going on?
Who's gonna be the Medici family, man? Damn, dog.
Damn.
It's like niggas, it's like, yo, I don't know if we should draft LeBron.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yo, Steph Curry, I don't know if I should let you play ball or if you should be the Gatorade boy.
Yeah, I don't know, pal.
Look at this talent, man.
Yeah, you fold towels really well.
Disgusting. It's disgusting. The frustration levels.
Oh, man. Is that a rotary phone or is it like a dot?
We talked about that last week.
We did?
Yes. It's a touch tone phone.
That's so corny.
That's corny, but there's a lot of corny shit going on here. We're in a real world confessional. Do you know Real World still comes on?
It does?
Yes.
Yo, you want to laugh? I seen that yesterday.
No, because that's the question they ask you when you're walking on the street and trying to sell you comedy tickets. Not falling for that shit. I don't like comedy. Yo. I don't care about abused kids, and I don't like real hip hop, fam.
They always get me with the abused kid shit.
They're like, you want to help abused kids? I'm like, no.
I'm like, are they mind? Then no.
No.
Yo, damn. Niggas need a real rotary phone, man. Come on, get out of here.
What were you about to say? You were like, do you want to laugh?
Oh yeah, so I saw Real World. That's funny that you said that because for the first time ever, I watched the shit last night and I literally said that same shit verbatim. I was like, this shit is still on?
Everyone says that, man.
Shit's crazy.
Shit's crazy. We live in crazy times, man.
Yo, Doug, holla at us, man.
Holla at us, Doug.
Holla at your fucking boys.
Shouts to Daniel, Bodega Hive, his tweets.
Gang.
Gang.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, did you see George Zimmerman is trying to sell the gun that he murdered Trayvon Martin with?
What a dick, man.
We should buy that gun.
We should.
And kill George Zimmerman with it.
Absolutely. I told niggas in like episode 3, PayPal me $20, I'll kill George Zimmerman.
Yeah.
No problem.
Our trajectory is going up, but I'll give it all up. I will give it all up to kill George Zimmerman.
Niggas will be legendary, fam.
You know how many murals I'll be on?
Come on.
I wouldn't even have to tweet again.
Yo, niggas
I'll be in at least 3 rap songs.
At least.
At least. And the minimum.
Fam, right after you
Tyler Quali would write a terrible song about it.
Terrible. As soon as you were using milk to get the gunpowder off your hands, Fabulous is already going to have a punchline about that.
Yeah,
you know
love it.
How you shot George Zimmerman.
Oh, man.
Yo, listen. I'm down to
send y'all niggas to meet fucking Jesus. Kill him like George Zimmerman and Desus. You gotta put that over a trap thing and put a dog filter over it.
You know what I'm saying? It's lit.
And record it at La Marina.
Yo, what a fucking coward be. And I wish he was like more white. I'm mad he's from Florida and he's tan and shit because it was like, he's Latino.
He looks something like you.
Oh, he looks like a fucking, he looks like a white dude that lives in Florida.
Yeah.
He's mad tan.
That's the whole other part that this took place in Florida. Because I feel like if it was any other state, it would have been like a different outcome and shit. But Florida's wild.
He'd be dead.
Florida's wild. My parents live in Florida, so I get it. Florida is a wild place full of weird people. So
I only go to Disney World, to be honest. Miami. Shout out to Miami. Shout out to Hialeah.
I saw a guy when I went to Florida in Baskin Robbins. He had on a Confederate flag camouflage hat.
What?
And I was
it wasn't Yeezy season?
And I was like, no, what's not Baskin Robbins? What's the place where they make the people sing and they make the ice cream?
Oh.
Fuck.
Damn,
we're
high.
high.
Cold Stone, right?
Cold Stone, yes.
Cold Stone? They sing?
Good answer. They sing. They're supposed to sing when you walk in. They sing when you
Not
sit.
New York.
Not anymore. Not anymore. Yeah, he had the hat on, and I was like, damn, I should just grab this hat off this nigga. But then I remember in Florida, you can carry concealed weapons. And he would, listen, I'd be the new Trayvon.
And they got the stand your ground law.
There you go.
So if you try to take his hat and he comes at you, and you come at him, he's like, oh, stand my
ground.
ground. I had to clap one half of the Bodega Boys.
Then, you know, there's no more art. No more feeling like Pablo.
Yeah, I'm just saying, talking to myself.
So sad.
You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Damn. Yeah, you just be like, basketball's ill. Niggas be like, damn!
It's terrible! Still better than half the podcast out, though.
Still crushing the game. Number 1 on the charts.
You hear Mero Boys? The new episode of Mero Boys is great. Shout out to the sponsor. You're talking to yourself like, yo, shout out to our sponsor.
Yeah.
No, you're still doing it as if it's 2 people.
Yeah, it was good. So Jesus nice man.
Anything is possible. Yo, shout out to new Chik-fil-a.
True.
We went.
True.
It's definitely a New York Chick-fil-A.
Oh my god.
Because apparently
whole staff.
The whole Southern hospitality has gone out the fucking window.
Also, you know what I'm real mad about? I forgot to get a lemonade iced tea, and I got a Sprite like a dick. I forgot Chick-fil-A is known for lemonade iced tea. I fucked up.
Well, they're also known for the Southern hospitality.
And we did not get that.
And Tanisha from Bushwick was very rude to me when she took my name.
J. Trader Gates. Fuck you, Jesus.
She was like, what? She was like, what do you want? I'm like, first of all, that's not the fuck you say when you take my order.
Fam, do you know how mad Shorty got when I was like, can I see the menu?
Yes, I said that to her. And she rolled her eyes, and her yucky braids swung on forth in the wind.
Oh, I'm like, yo, I swear to God, she's supposed to be like, nigga, it's chicken.
It's chicken, what the fuck? You want chicken? Yeah. You want chicken nuggets? Or nah, you want waffle fries or you one of them faggots? And I was like, are you Azealia Banks?
What?
So, yeah.
Chik-fil-a Banks?
Oh, man.
Yo, this is good look Victor Lurkin. With the soccer shirt.
Oh, man. Yeah, man. So, yeah, that Chick-fil-A, come on, dog.
Yeah, I know. It felt like a DMV.
It was terrible. The line, they were like right, left. I don't even know. And then I had to go back and ask Shorty. I was like, yo, you didn't tell me right or left. And she was like, it don't matter.
Then shout out to Ali, one part of the Wardrobe Mafia, who, first time ever, we have gone out to eat, and the white person gets their food last.
Yeah, and she did not make a scene. She did not ask for the manager.
I was told by Chick-fil-A. None of that.
It was very stressful. It's very, because my natural inclination, like, anytime I see a white woman in distress, I'm like, oh Lord.
Something's about to go down.
Lord. I grab my hat, I'm like, can I help you, Miss Mary? Because, you know, if you look on Twitter, black men are known for, like, picking up white women when they're in trouble. So, you know, shout Jamila is hearing this right now. Like, yes, tell them, Jesus. Teach some devils. But yeah, let's go. I was like, the helping, what is it? Miss Daisy?
Oh, yeah.
The helping Miss Daisy shit. Driving Miss Daisy. Was that Denzel? What? Not Denzel. Morgan Freeman?
Yo, I just thought of something ill. I can use that as an excuse to not take the garbage out.
What?
My wife. She's like, you'll take the garbage out. I'm like, no.
Because you're helping a white woman?
Davey, I'm not doing this.
Nah, but you married in.
Oh, that's true.
Like, you said, you looked at every other Dominican woman in the world and say, no, I choose this white devil over you. That's what your wedding was.
If you know all my surfers, you know exactly why I did that. So shout out to all y'all.
Oh, man.
Scumbags.
I
hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing good.
You know,
doing good.
You should not wish ill on your ex.
I definitely don't. I don't.
Because you have to look at it.
Happens.
You have to look at this. Your ex that's no longer with you, they have chosen to no longer have the light that is you in their life.
That's true. I appreciate that.
It's no different than in the Bible when Satan, the fallen angel, turned his back on God and said, nah, I'm good, nigga.
Good. Fuck y'all.
All right?
Good.
So you no longer have that radiating praise. This is for my church when I started. Pastor Jesus. Come on, people. And I need y'all to give deep. I need y'all to read it. We have an aviation agency. And I'm going to Peru. Hey, open your wallets. Everyone, dig deep.
I'm tithing already.
Call me Tyler Perry. No, but yeah. So your ex, you know, is a person that, you know, for whatever reason, they made that choice. And they were like, this person, for whatever reason, maybe they made a list and it was like, I no longer want to be with this person. But you have to look at it this way. Do you like yourself?
I love myself.
You love yourself.
I love myself.
You love yourself.
I love myself.
So you just look at it like, yo, that's unfortunate. Your exes left the party early. Before the party started getting popping.
See?
You see what I'm saying? They missed out.
Left at 11:30.
Because it was like, when I was taking the Amtrak to DC the other day, I was talking to an old white lady, because old white women love me.
Okay.
And, you know, we're talking about, she knows everything about life and whatever. And I was telling her about my life and just, you know, issues with women and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I said something to her and I was like, you know what you do with this person not giving you attention or whatever, you know, whatever. And she was like, I don't know you, but from the little bit of time I've talked to you, you seem like a pleasant person. And anyone that chooses not to be in your presence, that's their loss. Wow. Wise.
Wow, bro.
See? You gotta look at it like that.
Oracle.
The
Shout
Oracle.
out to old people.
Old people, they
Shout out
know.
to old people. You're mad wise, but I will not eat food prepared by you because I'm not confident in your ability to wipe your ass.
Yes, you talk about that a lot. I appreciate that.
It's a recurring thing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because I wouldn't I'm not going to disrespect you. When you come to the crib with your robot wife and kids, and I'm like 98, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to disrespect you and be like, yo, I'm going to have a sandwich.
You're going to have an auto bidet?
You know what I'm saying? Gotta have the auto bidet on deck. Gotta have somebody make your sandwich. I'm not going to disrespect you, my nigga, because, you know, I go wipe the cheeks.
Right.
Might get a little dude on the finger, but I don't know because my motor skills
are you going to be like Big Pun size?
I'm trying not to be.
But like at 98, like you're going to, listen, the brand is strong.
Yeah.
The brand is strong. I figure after we make our first, that first fucking $96 million opening weekend.
Oh, man.
For the Bodega Boys live movie. You know, you're just going to be eating lobster and shrimp and get the gout.
I can't wait. I can't wait to be like somebody has to like facilitate my life. Like,
I can't deal with this shit.
Come clean me.
Yo, put this album on my phone. I can't do this.
Straight up, I'm trying to do that now.
I want to be on that shit. Okay, I want to be like, yo. I'm like, yo, like I don't like it's like time to eat and I'm lost. I'm just looking around like, who's providing my meal?
What is
like?
I'm gonna sit here and wait for a meal to appear in front of me.
Like,
you know what I'm saying?
You ever see celebrities? Because we're around celebrities now. We see it. Mm-hmm. There's this thing where like you get so removed from being a human, you forget how to do normal shit. So like when you're in a position where you should do normal shit that a human would know, they freeze up and they start looking around for a handler. Like, yo, I want that shit.
Yeah, I need it.
Like somebody runs up on me for an autograph and I'm like, I don't know. Or like someone's like, fill out this form. What's your social security number? I don't even know what the fuck that is. Can't wait.
Does my security guard know?
Drake says some shit about, yo, when he talks to girls, he gives them his assistant's number because he thinks like his calls are getting recorded. He said that on the album. Wow. Tell me let me go on my fucking rant. Get my Joe Button
Talk to.
Alright? Because niggas are saying Views is whack. Views is not whack. Alright? Y'all listen, maybe Drake made the expectations too high.
Yeah.
All right, it's still a solid album.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's This is peak Drake.
Yeah.
This is Steph Curry Drake. People are like Joe Budden was like he sounds bored. He doesn't sound bored. He knows what he's doing. He made the petty fucking album that people wanted. He's talking, and the thing is Drake doesn't have normal nigga problems anymore.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, he can't make a song about, yo, I was working at the supermarket, I got off at 9, why couldn't you wait for me? Like, he's like, yo, I was working on an album for 2 months, I got OVO radio, I'm growing a beard and I'm cutting it off, I'm sitting on top of CN Tower. Shout out to my secret boo, Miss Saga.
Hey, shout out to you, boo.
Yeah, it's a solid album, man.
I'm gonna interject here with the
Fuego Take
alert.
Fuego Take sponsored by Doritos and Cocoa Fest.
Oh yeah. Niggas love J. Cole.
Right.
And J. Cole has been rapping about, yo, I never had sex before.
Right.
Yo, I'm a freshman in college.
Yes.
Dog, you're a millionaire.
Right.
But nigga Drake is rapping about, yo, this is what actually is happening to me, which is asking me for the Wi-Fi code to go snitch to other bitches.
Right.
That's really happening, and niggas are mad at it.
Yeah.
So, like, you can't win.
Drake can't win because Drake's not supposed to win because he's a half Jewish Canadian. You know what I'm saying? He's mixed. He was a nerd. He was like a child actor, and like he's cool. Like, and then the worst part is he's on that Kanye shit. He's confident. Yeah. He knew he was gonna be popping. He said that shit early on in the career, like us. Like, you know how gas we're gonna sound in 10 years when they're playing this, and we're on 60 Minutes. And I got the wild hoop earring, the old black man hoop earring. And they're like, how did you know your church? And they're gonna, like, to be funny, they'll be like, how do you know? And they look at the cards, they'll be like, the trajectory, the brand is strong. And I'll be like, well, morally safer. Is he alive? He's probably dead. Yeah. We'll laugh. We'll laugh. We'll laugh. We'll be in separate rooms, though, because we no longer will talk. After the first 120 million, I'm
that's it. I'm not talking to him.
We're gonna have a nasty split, like just like,
can't wait.
And then we're gonna have like the fucking 20-year reunion in Vegas, like the Rolling Stones. The tickets are gonna be like $1,500 each for like the worst seats.
Jail's gonna open for us.
It's gonna be lit. We're gonna have like French Montana, like fucking being the MC.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so. I can't wait. Actually, I want to.
People are gonna be like, that's gonna be like a cool catchphrase for like 60-year-olds. They're like, "Where's the art?" People are gonna have "Where's the art?" bumper stickers. The way people have like the fucking gummy bears for the Rolling Stones or whatever for the Grateful Dead.
Yeah,
it's gonna be great. Like, I saw Fish. I saw Bodega Boys. I saw Radiohead.
Yo. I can't, it's so great. Because niggas, shout out to Bodega, because you niggas are very dedicated.
They're very dedicated. You know what I'm saying? And you've been fucking with us for so long, you're never gonna stop. You know what I'm saying? Never gonna give us up. Never gonna let you down.
I'm just gonna give you up forever. You. Motherfucker.
We got the Grind Boys. We got the Peanut Butter Boys. We gotta do an R&B thing. If Bryson Tiller can get we can make, listen.
Let's put our Nike hats and kill the game.
Yes. Because I feel like we've done enough scumbag shit to women. We can make good songs. Great songs, like, yo.
Oh my god.
Like, yo, I saw your text, but I ignored it.
Man.
That's a song right there. Like, damn, you fine, but I'm gonna fuck your friend. That's a song.
I'm putting my phone on airplane mode.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me wash my dick in the sink so my girl don't find out. Oh, this R&B album's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Yo, I showed Mero your nudes.
Yo, damn, like 20 bitches just panicked right now.
Like, yo. Nah, that's a lie. I don't show nudes.
Yeah, that's fucking
some guy, and I think he follows me on Twitter. They just did that fucking bullshit on Twitter where it's like, yo, if you're a big guy or whatever, the big guy Twitter shit, and all of y'all was like, oh, look at these big fine guys, never realizing these people can't leave their homes because they're afraid of the outside world. But some guy, I guess a girl hit him up and was like, yo, I will drive up from like Maryland or some shit, like suck your dick. In the DMs, and your man screenshotted it and posted it up like, yo, look at the thirst I'm getting. What are you doing, dog? You violating.
Yo, niggas can check the stats on me, man. I said it like 2010. I said it like,
I don't leak nudes. I don't screenshot y'all.
You're fucking up the game, dog. You're fucking up the game. What you're doing right now by doing that is making a girl that was gonna send a dude a nude not send the dude a nude. Not even
that. Like, not even engage you.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? Because now there's the risk.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? Don't put me at risk. Don't put me at risk of being screenshotted.
You feel me?
Okay? I'd rather get shot than screenshot.
I'm dead ass.
Dead ass. Like, I think that might be the title of this episode. No, I'm dead ass. And this is like, nothing's worse than like, someone sends you a screenshot of someone else, their conversation with someone else, because then you're like,
okay,
yo,
chill. I can't tell you shit. Yeah.
Like I'm listen. Desus Fuego.
Yo.
Desus Fuego. Actually, I'm gonna be Desus Ocean right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna get to my emotions.
Okay.
You know, sometimes I get drunk and I might spill my guts to a young lady.
That's right.
You know,
we're human.
Over a series of 60 text messages in 10 minutes.
God's working on all of us.
God's working on all of us. And you know, I know it's just a matter of time before one of these girls gets fed up and it's like, yo, I'm gonna expose you on the timeline. And you know what? I stand by all those tweets. I meant them.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, if I tell a girl at 4:23 a.m. that we should have babies, I mean it.
You're dead ass. You mean that?
I dead ass mean it. That's real. That's the real Jesus.
Yeah, come
That's
on.
what alcohol does. It peels back the mask, yo.
That's it, bro.
It peels back
layers,
the mask.
man. It's like these is like a blooming onion.
If I say to you, yo, all I want to do is just see beauty in the world every day, and I do it when I'm next to you.
Wow, that's deep.
I've sent that text.
Wow, I thought you were going to say zoom, and boom.
Well, I've also sent that text. I go, yo, a drunk Jesus Twitter text rant.
Yeah.
Whew. That's more beautiful than stuffed curry.
Oh man, my drunk texts are the worst.
They're like, what? Pick a pizza.
They're just like mad emojis.
Nah, I be trying. Nothing worse. You try to get tender with it, and the chick is just like, yo, like I'm not with this.
Cause you with the emoji?
She's like, nah. She's like, oh, LOL, you wild.
LOL, you wild.
LOL, you wild, ma.
OMG.
OMG, you wild, ma.
Moon emoji.
With the eyes.
Oh,
just the eyes, like, what are you doing?
Oh,
Well, it happens. You know why? Because God's working on all of us.
That's right.
You know?
Yeah.
Your birthday. Shout out to Mero.
Oh,
birthday this weekend.
That's right. 25, man.
The big 25. Yeah, I can't believe you survived it.
So I did it. Shout out to the Root for putting me on the top 100 under 23 or something.
Yeah, just go with it.
Yo, he's 23 with 3 kids. I was like, yo.
Niggas was like, yo, he's a scumbag, but he's still there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta roll your age back.
Yeah, you gotta
roll. It's Hollywood.
That's Hollywood, baby.
Age back. Listen, Susan Sarandon, she says her real age. I'm not Susan Sarandon.
I'm not Susan Sarandon.
I didn't make Lorenzo's oil.
Nah.
So I have to lie about my fucking age.
That's right.
All right?
Niggas ain't there yet. Once we get the 120 million, they'll be like,
then I don't give a fuck. I'll tell you my real age. What you got planned for your B-Day party?
BBQs and Bay Plaza, you already know.
Okay, you just told everyone listening to this podcast.
Yeah, so listen, pop up.
Just pop up.
I got that thing on me. You niggas know what it is.
Just pop up and get popped, alright? Like we said, I'd rather get screenshot than get shot. But I ain't saying I would rather screenshot than shoot. Alright? There's levels to this shit.
Yeah, shout out to my man Jimmy, you know what I'm saying, who was like, yo, my nigga, why you gonna go have your birthday?
Yeah, BBQs. That's what I was thinking.
And I was like,
you popped that. No, come on,
but
man.
I was like, you know what? Niggas done did the little Balthazar and all that other shit, and the STK.
Come on, man. Don't you want to go to fucking
I gotta stay humble, my nigga.
Tosca.
Niggas in Tosca.
Come on, Tosca. If you don't know, Tosca is the most classy restaurant in the Bronx. They have marble.
If you want to get into a shootout with Albanians.
They have no ATM. You have to use the ATM in the hardware store across the street, but it's still lit. It's very classy in there. You know they have a tray of bacon.
They got fake plants
when it's brunch time.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And only half the waitresses wear body shapers.
True. I'll be going there for Father's Day brunch.
My sister had her baby shower there. No, my sister did not have a baby shower there. Someone else had a baby shower there, but it was lit. Okay. I was mad drunk.
Yeah.
And I was looking around.
You thought it was your sister's baby shower?
I was looking around because I'm getting drunk at baby showers. I was like, damn, I should knock a bitch up. Not like punch her. But I should have a baby. But then I'd be like, nah, not really.
Is that not really?
Not really.
Is that I don't know if is that a New York thing or is that an East Coast thing? Niggas go to baby showers to get fucked up.
I get fucked up at baby showers.
I go to a baby shower and I get lit.
Dude, that's because it's lit.
And I don't even drink like that. I sell crack.
Oh, sounds boring. Nah, baby showers is good because you know what? It's like there's a fertile woman there. Yeah. Now the other women are glowing because they have the fertile women. Now you get your testosterone. You're like, yo.
That's really what it is. Cause
and also, shout out to everyone who has baby showers and ask people to bring diapers. I did not realize that babies go through approximately 1,000 diapers a day.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Very close, something like that.
Crazy is a what? Ableist term.
Problematic lights.
Shout out.
They got the fucking hand in there like, yo, put $1 in there every time you say something problematic.
Oh! Hey. That's gonna sound so loud on the fucking track. Oh man. Oh shit! It's like a camera.
Yo, niggas shooting. That shit probably sounds like a gunshot.
Wow, we can pretend. Just end like that. Just end it on the.
Yo, we can fake our own death.
We're still talking now.
Yo, but
just end it on that.
We can.
But if we're still tweeting,
and then you upload the shit like, yo, we died. Recorded this, but then I uploaded it.
I think we might have to do that.
Bodega?
No, you can't do that. That's stupid. The
I thought
Bodega
about
house
that
is
the
not
other
that.
day, dog.
That what?
Because I have these hot thoughts at like 2 a.m.
Right.
And half the time I'm like, is it good?
Yeah, we're good.
Half the time I'm like, yo, I was like, yo, should I text this nigga right now? I was going to text you and be like, yo, son. I was like, yo, tomorrow morning, just be like, yo, RIP my nigga Mero, blah, blah. And I'm going to fake my death. Because, yo, I always feel, yo, when I did the, like, yo, because when I'm a weirdo when I got love fucking people.
God.
Yo, when I did the fucking Desus' Way shit, I was like, yo, people are going to fucking lose their shit over this.
Okay, but there's one thing to be like, yo, Jesus is white. It's another thing to be like, yo, I died. Like, you could lose some followers for that. You can't be like, yo, Azealia Banks' wallet and be like, yo, rest in peace to me. And then I'm complicit in it? Ruin the brand. Then the Gawker writes an article. That's not... You don't get anything from saying...
Oh my God.
Like, rest in peace.
I would just want to watch the timeline and see how many niggas like, yo, he was cool, but he was problematic.
Yeah. I think that would be me. I'm gonna do an Exo Jane article about you.
Exo Jane
about how you were problematic.
Yeah.
My relationship with problematic podcaster Kid Mero.
Problematic Mero. Related articles. Summer lip gloss shades.
I lost my tampon inside me for 2 weeks. Click here. You'll never believe what happened next.
Yo, this is so old. I feel like I'm in a zoo because there's mad white people
walking by, just looking at us.
Don't look right in their eyes. Don't hit the
You know what it feels like? It feels like in bookings when the fucking lawyer walks in and doesn't know who you are, and they just say your name. Jesus nice, and they're looking around, and they don't know if it's that cell or not. You're like, yo, right here. You gotta raise your hand, like, yo, right here, yo, can I beat these charges?
for off rip.
For off
now,
the rip.
yo, how you doing now, yo?
Yo,
I'm good?
Like, she's like, I haven't even opened your file. Like, I'm just introducing myself to you as your lawyer. I will see you tomorrow when you leave court.
Shout out to the Bronx defenders, though, for hitting
Yes, they had that lawyer. They did the lawsuit against New York City. Apparently, in the Bronx, it takes the longest to see a judge when you're arrested for a misdemeanor. Oh. Hence, one Jesus Fuego tweeting out every fucking Friday, avoid the bookings, beloved, because you will be in jail for the whole weekend. Look. And everyone always runs into my mentions like, yo, that's bullshit, you be out the next day, whatever. Nigga, you don't live in the Bronx, shut the fuck up.
Yo, you max out for 72 hours.
You know, yeah, okay, first of all. Yes,
because the justice system is very perfect.
Perfect. Yeah. Who's been here for 72 hours?
Oh, sorry, can't keep it. Sorry, gotta go.
Oh, man.
He's still on the first floor, 72 hours in.
72. See? Y'all don't even know the level of booking because you don't know about the floors. You don't know about the floor. It's like Super Mario Brothers. You keep going up levels till you reach the boss. Shout out to everyone in bookings. You can't hear this right now. Shout out to everyone that's going to be... Today is Friday the 13th. Yep. So be very careful when you go to bookings. Spooky. Some of y'all going to be on your way to the weed spot. A black cat is going to cross. You're going to be like, let's say your base. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
And now you're going to just fucking... The cop going to put you on the ground.
You're going to walk under a ladder and then the cop's going to come sodomize you.
Throw some salt. Okay. All right. Well,
yo, don't let cops.
That can happen.
Yo, listen, cops don't give a fuck.
They don't. But think about it, if you were a cop, you'd do whatever the fuck you want.
Of course.
If you were a cop, would you ever stop for a red light?
Never.
Not even on a period.
I know dudes who became cops probably for that purpose.
Yeah.
Of being like, yo, I don't like.
I met one of Mero's
my class. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I met one of Mero's boys who's a cop now, and let me tell you, I've never smelled corruption before, but if you put that shit in a bottle, that was definitely the name of his cologne.
Yo, son, this nigga was doing the thing. We posted up. We had the J-Lo concert, and we posted up, and I see this nigga, and he's like, "Oh shit!" He's with like 3 dudes with white shirts. He's like, "Oh shit, what's good, my nigga?"
Listen,
I was like, "Bro."
You know the cop when the equipment belt is kind of baggy.
Yeah. Niggas got the baggy trousers.
They got on fucking Nike. They got on Nike boots.
Nike boots.
They got on foams. You're not a cop.
You're not a cop, nigga. Come on.
This ain't DC.
You just here to beat niggas up in the lobby.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Shout out to all y'all cops, man.
Shout out to the cops. We're gonna be cops. We're gonna remake. Remember Who's the Man with Ed Lover and Dr. Dre?
That's
right.
Right.
Apparently, we're not remaking anything else with Ed Lover and Dr. Dre. But we're gonna remake that movie, and we're gonna have Matt cameos, Action Bronson, Ray Schmurmer, Bobby Schmurmer.
You know what I'm saying?
Other artists whose names I can't pronounce. Tiger. Azealia Banks, I guess.
Yeah, shout out to her.
Vashti would be in there. Of course, gotta have Vashti. Shout out to Vashti.
Shout out to Vashti.
On She was repping for the. She's very Bodega Hive. She's always repping.
Original Bodega Hive. You know what I'm saying? Gang.
From the rip. Gang.
Shut this shit. Yo.
Don't say anything. You're being recorded. We're doing this in one take. Don't say anything I can't edit out. Mad shows got. Recipes to everyone that show got canceled yesterday. Mad shows got canceled. Yeah. The Grinder, the Muppets, mad shows got canceled.
On ABC, right? Was it ABC?
ABC, across mad channels.
Wow.
The thing is, mad people yesterday was like, yo, it's fucked up. Hundreds of people lost their jobs, blah, blah. Guess what?
Stop making whack shit, nigga!
It's just Hollywood, baby. It's just Hollywood, baby. Yo, not for nothing. I think Hollywood might be worse than selling drugs.
Oh, it's absolutely worse.
Absolutely. Because if selling drugs, like a nigga rip you off, if someone promises you something and they do not live up to it, you can shoot them. You can shoot them in the hand, you can jump them, fuck them, or kill them. Because that's the rule. Yep. Hollywood, someone will look you right in the eye, shake your hand, and fucking stab you in your back.
Right there, nigga.
Right there.
Like, hey, pal.
Hey, pal. Hey, guy. It's going to pilot.
That's right. No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's not.
Sorry, bullbag.
A lot of fake smiles.
You know what I'm saying?
And I ain't built for that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like Combat Jack said, a lot of scarf hands. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? A lot of weak handshakes.
Fucking spaghetti noodles. Young Thug boxing. It's just whack.
Yeah.
That's why we got the art. Because we control the art.
That's right.
Because there's no middleman. It's from us straight to you. Also, shout out to us for owning our own masters, right? Of our podcast. So we can reissue this in 20 years. And you guys can be like, yo, it's going to be like a big deal. And it's going to be all over the news. Bodega Boys Remastered 20-year anniversary edition. And you're going to be playing in the car.
1080 megahertz.
You're going to be playing in your fucking automated Google car that doesn't even have a steering wheel. And your little kid pods are going to be like, Dad, this is whack.
I can't wait to Beatles, you niggas, man.
We're gonna Beatles. We're gonna be like Prince. I'll be like, they're gonna be like, Jesus died, and it's mysterious, but apparently he had 100 years worth of podcasts saved in his safe. Yeah. It's gonna be like Questlove's gonna be like, I need control of those podcasts. Shout out my nigga Amir.
Yeah.
We out here.
Questlove. Shout out to the Roots.
Shout out to Roots.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Crew. That's crazy.
The legendary.
Remember when Jay-Z was like, yo, can't do numbers like the Roots? And now they're like doing like...
They're doing numbers. They're not doing Jay-Z numbers.
I mean, they're like...
They're doing numbers, though. Shout out to them. They're on Fallon.
Yeah.
But I mean, shout out to OK Player.
Shout out to OK.
You know, I've been fucking with the Roots from way back. Sweet Lily out in Philly. Shout out to all my Philly people. Hey. Black Lily. Y'all right? So y'all watched, but y'all heard that reference. It was like, yo, Jesus really knows. Yo. Remember when OK Player went to war with Afropunk? What? They were trying to get my man Big Reg out the paint. He was a moderator on there. But I'm getting a little too deep for y'all. That was Black Twitter before Black Twitter. Oh, man. This is the emergency art. It's a little short because Mero was late, but we're striking on deck and we're Hollywood, baby. We got deals. We got places to go. We got people to see. We got hands to shake, babies to kiss, you know what I'm saying? Women to lie to.
Come here, little nigga, baby. Yeah, I'm talking out of all Chappelle shit. That's like some of the funniest shit. Come here, you little nigga, baby. Wait till we room at the Chappelle show. Oh man!
All right, shout out to my man Neil.
Shout out to Neil Brennan.
Neil Brennan. We was talking to him. Who thinks very highly of us?
Yo, shout out to you.
We think very highly of him. That's high praise.
You know what I'm saying?
People fuck with the art. That's why we do the art. I'm very proud of this.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. I was very excited last night. Like, yo, we're gonna do the art today because this is us. This is us raw.
Straight up.
You know what I'm saying? Straight up. Just us, just straight to y'all, just being funny.
I love y'all, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Love you guys.
And notice I wasn't Desus goth today. I wasn't all dark. No. I wasn't talking about how we're all gonna die soon. Alright? Because Mercury was in Gatorade and I was going through shit in my life. But now I'm better.
Desus is doing good. Desus is buying weed in bulk now and shit, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Niggas out here good money.
Well, listen, I'm smacking the deck. We're getting money. We're good. I'm happy. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good.
So we got Desus Baby 2017?
Sure. There's some candidates, but I don't know. I'm trying to get money. Fucking MOB, money over babies.
You get this shit tattooed.
Get that tattooed on my face. All right. Yo, Bodega Boys, episode 22.5. We was in the building live from the Real World Confessional Booth. Thanks, shout out to Bodega Hive. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Mr. Mil Noventa, aka Buchos Gully, aka Eli Lit B, aka Slobodan Might Know Your Bitch.
That's right. Yo, it's your boy Kid Mero, aka Curve Gotti, aka Donovan McDab, aka East Street My Stevie B. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to tell you niggas one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. From sold out shows
The concerts. You're so close.
That's right. It's your boy Scam Newman. We out of here, my nigga. Holla.
We out of here. Also, don't worry. I wasn't lying. We kept it. All right. We're 2 for 4.
True.
4 episodes this month.
All right.
We got the merch on deck.
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday. Shout out to my man Mero. It's been a blessing working with you. Like, oh, man, not for nothing, man. Yo, if you wasn't born, where would I be right now? I'd probably still be at that shitty job.
Oh, God.
Think about this. Listen, we're about to end it, but think about it.
Think about it.
Yo, no Mero, no Bodega Boys, no Desus, no Bodega Boys. I'd still be at that shitty job. You still be at that school.
Oh,
all the people would not be listening to this right now.
Oh, my God. Please don't even say it.
Think about that.
Damn, nigga.
Count your blessings, nigga.
Oh, my God.
Count your blessings.
I'm tearing up right now.
Tearing up. Love y'all niggas.
Peace.
We out.